So as we explore ways to enhance physician health and vitality, I'd like to share with you today some information about a recent advance in neuroscience that provides insights. Neuroplasticity, a compelling new discovery, the discovery that our brains are continually changing throughout our lives in response to our experiences, has become the focus of rigorous scientific research at medical institutions around the world. Up until a few decades ago, the accepted scientific view was that the human nervous system is hardwired or fixed, except in the very early stages of development. And this fixed structure of the brain, based on our genetics and our early development, determines our mental and physical capabilities. But recent research is providing evidence to the contrary. We now know that the human nervous system is dynamic, continually responding to intrinsic and extrinsic stimuli by changing its structure, its function, and its connections. This inherent property of neuroplasticity involves the growth and the sprouting of axons and dendrites, the pruning and the strengthening of synapses, and even neurogenesis, the development of new nerve cells from stem cells. Importantly, though, there are adaptive neuroplastic changes that lead to a gain in function and maladaptive neuroplastic changes that can lead to a decrease in function or increase in injury or even pathogenesis. Relevant to our discussion today, stress is a strong stimulus for maladaptive neuroplastic change, whereas aerobic exercise, mindful practice, meditation, learning new skills, and some of the other information and approaches that we've been bringing in these podcasts actually promote adaptive neuroplastic change. And what's fascinating is that functional MRIs are revealing that even with short periods of practice, there are measurable changes in the structure and the function of the brain. For example, there is an increase in the gray matter concentration in the hippocampus, a structure important in learning and memory, and there is decreased size of the amygdala, paired structures that are important in our stress response and anxiety. So as we learn more about the mechanisms of neuroplasticity, particularly as they relate to stress, we're given the opportunity to actively participate in the ongoing processes that shape our brains and that alter our nervous system physiology and ultimately enhance our health and well-being.